Old Town Company makes some really nice looking clocks like this one. Welcome, this is the Crafty Hobbit channel. I'm Jeanette. I'm a home decor artist and a vintage rehab designer. This video is featuring a new clock in my shop, and this vintage rehab piece is solid weight. It's metal and it has a nice little cute pull-out drawer to tuck away some little miscellaneous items out of sight. This clock has an open back style, so that makes changing out the AA battery super convenient, easy to get to. Now, the Roman numeral style numbers on the front give it that really classy look against the black and white checkerboard pattern around the clock itself. You're going to find some dusting of vintage gold around the piece just to bring all the colors together and give it some dimension. The link is in the video description below, and if you want to catch more new items as they come available in the shop, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one.